Hey everyone, Brett and Irina here from Montevilla Sewing Centers. You know, a couple months ago, Irina and I were reminiscing about how much fun our 3-day sewing, quilting, and embroidery extravaganza event was earlier this year. You remember that?
Oh yes, it was so much fun.
Yeah.
It was so wonderful to see how many people came to join us for 3 whole days. We had 5 classrooms set up with 5 amazing educators teaching different projects. Each attendee had a chance to visit classrooms and play with blown arm, embroidery machine, overlocker, learn about press refit and embroidery essential supplies. We also had lots of fun at lunch hour.
Yeah, the food was good, but most of all, I love to give away prizes.
Yes, it was so much fun. One of the biggest highlights for me was to see how much connection we have with our customers and how much they connect with each other through their passion for sewing.
This was a really big event for us, and we learned so much and heard a lot of great feedback from all the attendees. And we thought, you know, I bet we can do it better next time.
Yep.
Well, we're excited to announce that we're doing it again. But this time, we're doing it here!
So far, we have secured Amanda Murphy and Connie Fanders, but we're very excited to announce that Pam Mahshie has decided to join us as well. There are going to be a couple of more educators, lots of surprises and prizes, and an interesting vendor mall.
So make sure to mark your calendars for April of 2025. Sign up at our website at montevillasewing.com. We're looking forward to reconnecting with all of you again. See you there.
See you there.